Stephen Neal. I've worked at UPS for 8 years now. I currently work as an IPLD specialist, meaning internal package level details, meaning that I track packages and service packages. In the workplace, we use Excel to generate reports and present information covering revenue, production, service, retention, basic essentials to keep a business running. And we use this to present information to the management team and the customers so they can see our track of production and efficiency with their packages. Target areas of our operation that need to be corrected or improved. Without Excel in the workplace, it would be more difficult for us to keep track of this stuff, and we would have a less efficient business plan. We wouldn't have these numbers presented for us to be easily able to see, and we'd have to go out there into the operation ourselves and as opposed to the reports we can see in the office and in the conference room.